The video is a hospital KPI dashboard created using Plotly with a dark theme. It visually represents 3 critical performance indicators, KPIs, for a healthcare facility, which are integral components of a hospital information system, HIS. Hospital explanation in terms of hospital information system, HIS. KPI metric description role in HIS. 1 bed occupancy rate 87.5%, indicates that 87.5% of hospital beds are currently occupied. HIS tracks bed allocation, admissions, discharges, and transfers in real time. 2 patient satisfaction score 90%, reflects that 90% of surveyed patients are satisfied with hospital services. HIS collects feedback via surveys, digital kiosks, or post-discharge follow-up systems. 3 mortality rate 4%, shows that 4% of admitted patients have died. HIS aggregates clinical outcomes from AIRS, electronic health records, and mortality reports. Magnifying glass tilted left visual analysis. Color coding. Blue square blue bar for bed occupancy reflects good capacity utilization. Green square green bar for patient satisfaction reflects excellent service delivery. Red square red bar for mortality rate indicates a sensitive metric that must be monitored carefully. Dark theme. Enhances readability for control room displays. Suitable for dashboards in 24x7 monitoring centers. Lightbulb importance in HIS. Aspect contribution to HIS. Real-time monitoring enables hospital administrators to monitor critical metrics live. Decision support helps prioritize resource allocation, example ICU beds, staffing. Quality control mortality and satisfaction help in auditing clinical and service quality. Regulatory compliance supports mandatory reporting to health authorities and accreditation bodies. Chart increasing use case scenarios. 1 Emergency surge management. A high bed occupancy alerts administrators to trigger overflow or patient triage protocols. 2 Patient experience team. A low satisfaction score would prompt service audits or training. 3 Clinical review. A rising mortality rate could trigger mortality committee reviews. Thank you.